And we're seeing that people with high confidence in an AI tool will do less critical thinking themselves. But people with more confidence in their own critical thinking will use AI as a tool to help them in their innovation and critical thinking.
I
So
love
what
that.
we need to be working towards is, getting AI to challenge us rather than asking it for the answers. Teaching it to ask us questions to challenge us about what we're thinking. And that's how we can get more to that innovation, because we're getting it to help prompt us, what else do I need to think about? What else could be going into this? As opposed to that integrity side of, oh, AI will do that for me. Because that's the path that many are going down. AI will do this for me. I don't have to write that. It'll write something for me. I don't have to think about it. There it is, off I go. The majority of people at the moment are going down that path of using AI to do the task rather than getting AI to help think about the task.